All right, let's check it out. 30-second fair value gap. Continuation setup, targeting closing the daily fair value gap. Stops above 3 PD arrays on a 30-second chart. We are in the macro. We're in. Love that response. Run, Forrest. Like to see it create a fair value gap right here as it breaks through this low. Second chart over here. $50 ticks, reduce the stop a little bit. New 4-hour candle's coming in 6 minutes. I probably want to close this trade before that. We'll see. I like to see it get some legs right here. I want to see some displacement. If not, we'll cut it off. Close it out and be happy with that. Ultra scalp. We just engaged a little bit of 15-second liquidity right there. Just consolidating, waiting for the top of the hour, 5 minutes to go. New 5-minute candle over here. 5-minute fair value gaps where the other side of our stop is as well. So multiple PD arrays protecting the position. We're right inside this end log right now. Since we closed below the CE, I'd like to see come down and fill it in and then continue down for a daily fair value gap fill in. But we'll see. Yeah, it's looking like a buy program on a 30-second. I'd like to see it move. What do we got? 156. That's better. Come and go with some of that buy side liquidity down there. or excuse me, sell side liquidity down there. Thank you. Potential immediate rebalance if it taps right there. And then drop. Thank you. Make a fair value gap. Just like the doctor ordered. Tiny fair value gap. Didn't actually get an immediate rebalance. You can see it right there. Reading price. Thank you. 3 minutes to go to the top of the hour. The only thing I don't like in between here and the target is this big figure 400. So I'm going to be taking mind of that as well. Stop to break even. And then some. Yeah, take a nice run down there. Let's go get it. Multiple PD arrays over here in the 15-second chart. We're going to utilize that. Or excuse me, yeah, 15-second chart over here. $100 ticks. Less than 2 minutes to the top of the hour. We're now below the NWAG. Now we're actually right in it, so that might be another reason to get. Okay, there's a new fair value gap. I might get aggressive on the stop. We'll see. Minute and a half. I'd like to see it respect that. Leave half of that open. Continue to make a lower low. We got a swing low right there. I don't want to see it respected as inversion. Yeah, we're just going to cut off right there. All right, well, that's a quick little ultra scalp. 24.33 down to 24.20 before it ran all the way back up. I'll take that for a massive down day. And we got it recorded. Tape reading, good stuff. It's been a long day watching these markets drop and drop and drop. I was looking for a potential reversal for a TGIF setup, but figured I might as well just take a short-term ultra scalp to the downside and call it a day. Maybe we'll see what happens here for a little bit. If this 5 minute will respect it, but it's good enough for me. I'll pause this recording for a second. And we're back. Just a few seconds, I was just looking. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it there. We got the top of the hour. Let's see what 2 o'clock does. Out of curiosity. I'll move my we got a new low of the week. So if there was a potential TGIF setup inbound, that target would be, we'll just look on the 15-minute chart here. I was looking for this to be another potential reversal. TGIF setup would bring us back up into here. That would be an interesting play. Did we close in the daily? We did not close in the daily. Just to show you. Not that. One day. Daily fair value gap is right there. We did not close it in. And which one did I just move to the daily? This one, so let's go back to the 15-minute on that one. Whoops. Two o'clock, 2 to 6. That 4-hour candle could be the TGIF. But I'll take my couple handles and be done. It's been a long day of tape reading. My mental capacity might be done now that I did take one little ultra scalp. It's a lot of brain processing. I don't care who you are. We exited right at CE of that last range. I'll take it. Take a look. Okay, take that high. It did not. Yeah, we're still going lower. I'm done for the day. I got a buddy coming over. All right, guys. Appreciate you checking out Dan's Trades one more time. As always, never financial advice. Entertainment and/or educational purposes only. I'll throw a plug in for David over at FX for a Living. Making good stuff, man. Cooking with gas. Remember, tomorrow is promised for none of us. Live for today. Take care.